You can use double quotation marks inside the single quotation marks in the string without getting errors. We see now in this example that double quotes we used inside the single quotes, and the result, as you can see, has no errors. Also, you can do the opposite for this example. We got yes, they said, inside single quotes, and only the word yes is surrounded by double quotes. Also, if you want to use double quotes within double quotes, you must put a backslash before each inner double quote to escape this. Here we put 2 backslash marks before each inner double quotation marks to escape it, and the operation was done without any errors. Let's try another one. In the interactive interpreter, the output string is enclosing in quotes, and special characters are escaped with backslashes. While this might sometimes look different from the input, the enclosing quotes could change. The two strings are equivalent. The string is enclosing in double quotes if the string contains a single quote and no double quotes. Otherwise, it is enclosed in single quotes. The print function produces a more readable output by omitting the enclosing quotes and by printing escaped and special characters. As you can see here, this is the same example but using the print function. But everything works correctly without any error.